So let us now begin this new creation, this new relationship, this new family by affirming publicly what you've already affirmed privately to each other.
This time, this place, misused, mistakes, too long, too late. Who was I to make you wait? Just one chance, just one breath, just in case there's just one left. 'Cause you know, you know, you know I love you. I loved you all along, and I miss you.
I, Eddie, ask you, Vanessa, to be my wife.
I, Eddie, ask you, Vanessa, to be my wife.
In return,
I
offer and pledge my life to you.
offer and pledge my life to you.
I